already been a while, and I'm just now getting my first order. This is for McDonald's, $7 and some change, going 4.5 miles. As soon as I parked, I got an additional order. This is for Victor Rico's, $10, going an additional 2 miles. Sure.
Is this in here?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Those two restaurants are literally right down the street from each other, so I was expecting a little bit of a wait. Luckily, it was sitting right there waiting for me. Of course, it's upstairs. Always upstairs. Ring the doorbell, meet at door. Why? Why do you want to meet me? Unless you're giving me an extra tip, I don't want to meet you, so why? I got this order right away. This is for Angels, $10.75, going 6 miles.
Take care, man.
You too. Well, that is very annoying, actually. I wasn't aware it was ready, and I was just standing there in line patiently. Turns out some of the car guys wanted some donuts this morning, so large group of like 20 people and only one worker. So, hello.
Hi.
Morning.
Good morning. Thank you so much.
Got it?
Yeah. Have a good day.
You as well, thank you. Lady just touched my hand. No, thank you. Not interested, ma'am. Just got my next order. This is gonna be for Burger King. $9 and some change, going 6 miles. I think most of the mileage is getting to the restaurant itself, so it should be ready by the time I get there. Should be. Should be. Thank you. I am actually shocked that it wasn't ready, because I got stuck at the 2 longest red lights of my entire life. Tell me why this is another meet at door. Like, I promise you, I am just some guy. You do not need to be this obsessed with me. Oh wait, their note says, leave at door, please. Okay, never mind. I retract all statements. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one's gonna be $7, going 3 miles. Is that a tattoo or is that like henna?
A tattoo.
Do you mind grabbing that bag for me? It's EBD.
EBD?
Yeah, thank you. Next up, we've got a different McDonald's. This one is going to be $7, going 3.5 miles. Shop and deliver for alcohol, $12.50, going 4.5 miles, 2 items. Two of these, and then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me. Bruh, I just shut my car off and I got an order. This is for McDonald's, $7 and some change, going 4 miles. Next order lined up right after this. We've got another shop and deliver for alcohol. This one's gonna be $12, going 5.5 miles, 2 items. This, I think. All right, and then just a scribble on that line for me. Next order up, we've got a Burger King. This one is $9 and some change, going 4 miles. too. All right, this one is most likely not ready because I got it as soon as I hit the corner for it. This is for Don Taco, $15 going 7 miles. Elizabeth.
¿Dos menudos?
Sí.
Okay.
Gracias.
Cuidado que están calientes.
Okay, gracias. Really wishing this was not soup so I could rush there, seeing as it's so far away, but at least it was ready for me, so let's get moving. Oh, that is so cool. Just got the next order. This is going to be for Sherry's, $19 and some change going 6.5 miles. This one might be a little sketchy. I'm kind of hesitant on taking it, but we're taking it anyways because I'm heading in that direction. So why not? Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good rest of your day.
You too. Mirador. Bro, can you just leave me alone? Let me do my thing. Ooh. Next up, we've got a Panda Express. This one's going to be $10 going 3.5 miles. All right, I think I'm gonna call it here. I've been doing a lot of screaming to myself today and my throat is starting to feel it. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna be having a voice tomorrow. Current time is 12:04. Current total is 125 and I have 3 Uber tips yet to come in. So honestly, I'm gonna guess around 145-ish. I feel like my last few orders are hiding pretty good tips. But yeah, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.